draw one, right? Draw one, divide it in 7/8. Now take 7/8, put it here, draw the box, right? So this is an important step because that makes you really focus on the proportion. But later you're going to use it more intuitively, right? And then what you do, you divide this in 3 equal segments because remember, the cranial volume, right, occupies 2/3 of the total height of the face. And now that's going to be now the cranial volume as seen from the side, right? With the base of the cranium at the same level as the nose here, right? Like that. The facial mask, now we'll do this. You block in the facial, actually, let's wait to block in the nose. Let's block in the nose later, right? You block in the facial mask, right? Then you start with the jaw and you go back with the curved line. But how far back do you have to go? The facial mask, the portion of the facial mask is slightly bigger than the portion of the back of the head. So the facial mask is about half a head. So I have here half a head. And I'm going to send you all the chart with all the measurement, right? So you're going to have all these measurements available to you. So take this half a head, right? Take this measurement here and then put it here. And that's where the jaw is. So this measurement in here is this. The total measurement is 7/8. The anterior, the height of the head is 1 head, right? This measurement is half a head, and this measurement is 3/8 of a head. So meaning, the anterior half has to be a little bit bigger than the posterior half. So when we get to be more practical, we don't want to be kind of slowed down by all these numbers in here. These numbers in here help us in understanding the proportional relationships, right? But in the end, when you draw, you want to know that the depth of the head is, of course, on a side view, right, is smaller than the height of the head, just a little bit. And then the jawline here, this point in here, from the jawline to the face in here, this is a little bit bigger than this, right? So if you look at this segment here, see this one here, how big it is compared to the back? See that? This is smaller, and this is bigger. See that? So that's the proportional relationship, right? Well, let's look now at